Welcome to Lawe Popo channel. In this video, we'll explore Toyota production system and lean manufacturing. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe. The Toyota production system, TPS, is the foundation of lean manufacturing worldwide. TPS was developed by Toyota engineers Taiichi Ohno and Eiji Toyota in the mid-20th century. The main goal of TPS is to eliminate waste and maximize value. Waste, or muda in Japanese, refers to any activity that does not add value. The 7 types of waste include overproduction, waiting, transport, processing, inventory, motion, and defects. Lean manufacturing is inspired by TPS and focuses on continuous improvement. Continuous improvement is known as Kaizen in Japanese. Kaizen encourages all employees to participate in problem solving. TPS operates on 2 main pillars, just-in-time and Jidoka. Just-in-time. JIT ensures materials arrive only when needed. Jidoka means automation with a human touch. Jidoka allows machines to detect abnormalities and stop production. Andon is a visual system that signals when help is needed. Kanban is a scheduling system to control the flow of materials. Kanban helps prevent overproduction and ensures smooth workflow. Heijunka means production leveling to reduce fluctuations. Standardized work ensures consistency and efficiency. Each operator performs tasks in the same sequence and timing. 5S is another key element of TPS sort: set in order, shine, standardize, sustain. 5S helps create a disciplined and efficient work environment. Visual management helps everyone see the status of production at a glance. Genchi Genbutsu means go and see to understand the real situation. Problem. Solving in TPS follows a structured approach called PDCA: plan, do, check, act. Respect for people is at the heart of TPS. Teamwork and trust between leaders and employees drive improvement. Poka-Yoke means mistake, proofing to avoid human errors. Small improvements every day lead to big results over time. Toyota trains employees to identify and solve problems independently. Lean manufacturing has spread to industries far beyond automotive. Many global companies now follow the Toyota model for excellence. Waste elimination improves cost, quality, and delivery. Customer satisfaction is the ultimate goal of lean manufacturing. TPS also reduces environmental impact by minimizing waste. Lean thinking encourages a culture of learning and adaptability. The power of lean lies in simplicity and discipline. TPS continues to evolve with digital transformation and Industry 4.0. Digital Kanban and AI-based analytics enhance lean operations. Automation supports human work rather than replacing it. Toyota's philosophy emphasizes long-term vision over short-term gain. Leadership plays a key role in sustaining lean culture. Lean success depends on daily discipline and consistency. Respect for standard work ensures safety and stability. The Toyota way includes continuous improvement and respect for people. Lean leaders guide teams with humility and data-driven decisions. Visual controls help detect deviations quickly. Standardization allows flexibility and innovation to thrive safely. Lean thinking promotes mutual respect between all departments. Everyone, from management to operators, shares responsibility for quality. The journey to lean is never finished. It's a continuous path. Toyota's commitment to improvement is its key competitive advantage. Lean has become a mindset, not just a method. The spirit of Kaizen continues to inspire industries around the world. Continuous improvement transforms both process and people. Learning from mistakes is encouraged in a lean culture. TPS is not only about efficiency, but also about building character. Every improvement, no matter how small, creates long-term success. Lean manufacturing helps businesses stay competitive and resilient. Thank you for watching. Keep improving, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe to Lawe Popo.